Union Home Minister Amit Shah chaired the plenary session of the North Eastern Council at the State Convention Centre here on Friday. Shah was felicitated by Union Minister of Donor G. Kishan Reddy, who is also the Vice Chairman of the NEC. Chief Ministers of all the northeastern states took part in the meeting, together with governors and chief secretaries of the different northeastern states. Presentation on the action plan of the Council for 2023-24 and the progress of the NEC Vision 2047 document activities of the Ministry and a brief presentation by the NEC Planning Financial Advisor and Donor Joint Secretary on the ideas and thrust areas for the NEC to focus on in the Northeast was presented during the plenary session. These include investment policies, programs, Industry 4.0 for the northeastern region, strengthening of logistics and inter-regional trade import substitution export. Union Home Minister